Yo, I'm the nose that knows, and I know that today you will join me as we go hunt for Spicy's nuts. Cue the intro. So as I said, you're joining me on the hunt for Spicy 110's nuts. It's basically a motovlogger's treasure hunt, where Spicy 110 puts a little box together, some motovlogger goodies, hides it, a random motovlogger then tries to find it, he adds something to it, hides it, and it goes on and on. I believe I'm now the 6th person in the hunt. There could be other people hunting though, so time is of the essence. Hippo-drones was the last man to hide Spicy's nuts. He hid them under the Ouse Viaduct near Haywards Heath, which is where I'm very slowly, because of this bloody traffic, making my way to now. I wasn't originally going to even bother hunting for the nuts, but once I saw Hippo-drone lob them relatively close to me, and I knew exactly where it was, I thought, why not? Why not get my hands on some of Spicy's smooth nuts? Who doesn't love a good feel of some smooth nuts? So once I've published this video, the quality of it isn't going to be as good as my usual stuff. It's just going to be a really quick speed edit. Try and get it up tonight. If you're one of those people just trying to follow the trail of Spicy's nuts, then don't think of this as my whole repertoire. Check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe! I also need some petroleum, and it's the battle of, do I risk it and try and get there before anyone else might run out of fuel, or do I grab some fuel, maybe get there too late? Oh, the ponders of life. And I saw Hippo-drone's videos a good, I think 4 hours, 3-4 hours after it came out, and it already had some 60 odd views, so I wouldn't be surprised if they're not there. But when I'd left, no one had said they got them. Ooh, this is a lovely quaint little place, isn't it? I'm blapping through right now. Where are we? Any ideas? Black Hill? Don't know. Oh no, could that have been a motovlogger? Oh, I'm worried that bike we saw was someone else. I think I recognise the bike. Stop. Somewhere along here. Never really knew about this place, so thank you, Hippo-drones. There's a big hole there. Oh. Right then, we're going to have to go for a little wander. This grass looks very well trod on. Freshly trodden, I should say, which I am honestly not expecting to find it. He said it was for the first bit of the viaduct. But on which side? He'll be panting into the microphone like a proper perv. Little peeping Tom. It can't be that side, so it must be up there. But you can see that there has been some fresh tracks trodden. It could have just been hippo-drones, or it could have been someone else. I believe they're up in those woods up there. It's weird how the cows get bigger. Don't know what that's all about. Turns out I've come all this way, I'm on the wrong bloody side of the viaduct, and the viaduct is well long. And I think there's some sort of stream or something down here. Yeah, there's definitely something. How the bollocks am I meant to cross that? That's well deep. I'm going to have to go up the other way, aren't I? Oh, I'm going to go all the way back again. Oh, gutting. So, we're finally on the right side now. Oh God. I had to go all the way back through that field. Onto the road, up to the road a little bit, and then back over to a big old viaduct. Walking in all your bike kit with your helmet on is hard work. You can't breathe properly. This looks more promising, doesn't it? Pretty sure he put it there, didn't he? I think it might have already been found, you know. Let's watch the video again. Or is it still there? And I just can't see it. No, it is there. It is here. Hippo-drones did a good job of this, didn't you, mate? Scratching up my helmet. Boom! Here it is. I found Spicy's nuts. Sweet. Let's see what we got, shall we? Interesting. Interesting. We got the stuffed hippo-drones and Spicy's nuts. This is what we were after. I have got some things planned to put in there. So whoever's next, good luck.